Smoke until the stupid state, stay until it's late. Sweet like chocolate cake, tart just like the shit I roll off paper plates. Search for sweet escape because inside I feel I'm dying slow. I tell you all this.
What is happening, my dogs? My name is Jack Niles and I am the auction dog, and I'm a small local car dealer here in Florida. And I haven't brought you guys to an auction with me in quite a while, so I wanted to film a little episode today because we got some really cool low miles examples of some nice cars that I think would be, you know, entertaining to you guys, but also a little valuable to know that this stuff is still out there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into it. I'm at the auction right now, and I kind of just walked in the door and I just been walking up and down these lanes. And I'm just gonna show you, I'm not gonna show you everything because there's 500 cars here, but I'm gonna show you the stuff that is cool and rare. And there is a few of them here today, so let's get started. These third gen 4Runners are really cool. This is not a nice example of one, and it's got high miles, but dude, oh, I didn't even notice it had these in the back. Like boat freaking racks or something. Just a nice truck, man, overall. It really is. It's a nice little runner. 220,000 miles though, and something's messed up with the 4-wheel drive because I tried to get in it and go and it's not working. So that's a 4.4 liter X5 over there, which that thing's beat to shit, so it's not really worth anything, but they are still kind of cool. Prefer 4.8 obviously, but 4.4 nonetheless. Oh, what's going on? There's nobody even in the car. Are the keys in the ignition? Oh, the keys in the ignition, idiots. This is the kind of stuff that happens at the auctions. Oh wow, it's wet in here. Oh, the keys like, oh, it stinks in here. Yep, good old Chrysler product. M35 all beat to shit over here. Crazy. I've been seeing a lot of these Type R's coming through lately. People getting them off lease or whatever. Hey, look at that, really unhappy freaking third exhaust pipe. I don't know why that one's sagging. But these, I've been seeing these things pretty often. They're relative, I'm sure they're pretty quick, but it's just weird that they would have a red front seat and a black back seat, and just like, it's way too aggressively styled for me. It just doesn't make me, oh, it's 6-speed too, that's cool. But they're just like this, like, what is all this stuff, dude? You know, doesn't do it for me. I'm not a Honda guy either though. I mean, I appreciate them, but it's definitely doesn't make me happy in the pants, you know? All right, so we made it to stop number 1 right here, and this is a sweet German muscle car. It really, really is. And if the mileage is actual, I would be really, really surprised, but it's not outside of the realm of reasonable and understandable. But friggin' look at this thing. 2002 CLK55. And they say it says it has 48,000 original miles on it, dude. And I might believe that. Look how nice the interior is. Oh, it's freaking, what is this doing? You know what I'm saying? What's this selling for? All the paint looks original. It doesn't look repainted. I love the black. That thing, that'll knock you out. That thing will knock you out on the way up. No way. But dude, she looks good. I don't like that they replaced the wheels. Should have the factory AMG wheels. That would make it better. But this is my favorite body style, see y'all. Okay. Oh wow. Looks a little gnarly, but this was like one of my favorite body styles. I like this one and the one after it. They're just beautiful. Look at that thing, dude. 55,000 miles, we're driving this thing. Got to. And I love the blue tint, you know, from this age range. I believe they still do it, the Benzes, but oh dude, no way. Oh, she's dead. Fuck. All right. Right? No. Yeah, it's fucking dead. All right, I'm gonna go get, let me see here. There's the hood pop. There we go. This wood grain's really nice in here. Dude, this is, I'm wondering what this car's gonna do here. They probably paid 4 or 5 grand for it. I mean, I would imagine. I wouldn't be surprised if it does 8. Oh yeah. Oil looks good. No milk here. So engine bay's kind of dirty for a 55,000 mile car. It's got shit spliced in. I don't believe the mileage. It's questionable. Look at this. Look how dirty it all is. Like, you're gonna tell me 55,000 miles did that to it? All of this? I don't know, dude. I don't know if I can believe that one. I have no idea. All right. Well, I'm gonna go get a jump pack and come back and jump this thing, and we're gonna go drive this motherfucker. Definitely have to. All right, so I was walking to go get a jump box for the CLK, and I'm walking past this thing, dude. And it's an SSR, which isn't really that special until you realize it's got 200,000 miles on it. Yes, it's a 5.3, but 200,000 miles on an SSR. I've never, usually people buy these and put them in a shop somewhere and let them sit. And they're not even that cool cars, frankly, but 200,000 miles, it's kind of wild. You know, and it's still a good shape overall. It's kind of weird how these things are, like they're just so high up. Their center of gravity is really high up. And I get what they were trying to do, but it's like really poor execution, and the front end is hideous. It's like, not for me, dude. She's running. Just sounds throaty. This thing sounds good. Wow. All right. Very excited. Very excited. Boys want to drive a CLK. Nice. Windows work. AC work. All right, let's get that all out of here. Oh, just broke traction. This thing's gnarly, bro. Oh my God. She's fast, boys. Freaking A. It says 48,000 original miles too. Dude, it breaks traction. That's gnarly. Wow. It's fast. That's just as fast as I thought it would be. Honestly, I know the 55 is a really good platform, but dude, that thing, it pulls good. It pulls real nice. Wow. I can't believe how good a shape this car is in. I really can't. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It really is. The fact that somebody even freaking kept it this nice. Sunroof works. Sunroof works. Sunroof works. Let there be light. Oh, it goes slower than. Oh, she's slow. All right. All right. There you go. All right. At least I really love this wood color too. I don't know if that's specifically for the AMG. Normally they have lighter woods, but that darker is really, really nice. It's a nice color. Freaking hey, dude. Far above expectations so far, at least. The copper right here. The cops in here that watch you. They watch you drive around, make sure you're not speeding and shit. These things. I literally ripped a burnout in the last Honda, and he came up to me. He's like, "What is wrong with you? Why are you doing this?" Just got to check the clutch, bro. Make sure she grabs. That's it. It's like it breaks traction immediately, dude. Ooh, doggy. I would daily the hell out of this thing. This is my freaking rod. It's so pretty too. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. Pleasantly surprised. This is good. This is a good one. Look how freaking nice this thing is, dude. It's in such good shape. Overall, like, incredible. I just love how mint it is. I'm gonna try to take this home, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. We'll see how much this thing goes for. It might very well be like $8,000 to $10,000. I wouldn't be surprised if it was $8 grand. I'd be surprised if it was 5, and I'd be an idiot if I didn't buy it for that. You know, but dude, look how good it's shaped. Just like right that angle right there. Unbelievable. Beautiful car. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. I really do like AMGs as well. I like German cars. I do. I just think they're superior. I think they build better cars. You know, they take more work to keep on the road and la-di-da-di-da, blah, 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 but they build superior cars. As far as drivability and everything, I think Toyota builds the best engines in the world, in my opinion. You know, between like 2JZ and like fucking their current engines they use in their cars. Nissan builds a good motor too, but and BMW, hell, they build a really good motor. You know, the BMW builds a great motor. So does AMG. But as far as like reliability, I guess it depends on what your usage is for. Like the 6.3 is a really nice motor that AMG builds, but they're incredibly unreliable. So it's like, you know, what's the word? 6 1/2 dozen of the other. As far as like a nice daily, the daily goes is concerned, these things were, in their time, this was about as good as it got, dude. It's so sick. Freaking hey, let's park this thing. So to see how this car ended up a whole lot nicer than I even thought it was gonna be. So On to the next one, but boy, that's good. That's real good. That's about as good as it gets right there. All right, so the next one I want to show you guys is, I'm not going to drive, but I do think it's very, very cool. It's 2005 Cadillac STS, and it's got freaking 21,000 original miles on it, dude. 21,000, look at it. It's mint. It's brand freaking new in here, dude. 21,000 miles. This was a country club freaking car, dude. Just went back and forth from the pool for like 20 years. Maybe 15 years, whatever. But dude, wow, 21,000 miles. Is it real? Is it true? Does it look true? Does it look like they rolled the odometers back? I don't really know. It's in good shape though. It's wild, man. 21,000 miles. It's still peeling though, so it obviously sat outside or something. Leather top's hard. Crazy. And then right here next to the STS, 2005 Dodge Magnum RT, right? And normally these things are really sacked out. This thing's not that bad actually, all things considered. But it has 36,000 original miles on it. So we got 21,000 original miles over there, 36,000 original miles on this car. I don't know where they're drumming these things up from, but look how nice it is in here. Normally these cars are all destroyed. Everything's all broken. Look at it, look at the freaking, look at the center console. Wow, unbelievable. Look at the headliner. It's mint, dude. This thing's freaking cherry. Now, mind you, the seats still look like crap. Like, is that a 21,000 or 36,000 mile seat? Probably, you know, all things considered, but wow, 36,000 miles, dude. It still has no paint on the roof. Welcome to Florida. Stop number 2 is one of my all-time favorite cars, dude. 2006 BMW M6. It's got 84,000 original miles on it, and it's my favorite color, black. I just think these cars look like spaceships, dude. They do. And a little paint work right there. Maybe some of that quarter panel looks painted too. See how it's got that orange peel to it? No, factory BMW paint looks like that. That's been repainted. This has definitely been repainted. The whole door has right there. That looks like shit. Wow. A little disappointing. See that? Oh, first one. Who puts those on a freaking BMW right there? Brake caliper covers. Interesting. Very, very nice. Oh, we got them in the back too. Oh shit. Jordan slotted rotors. Not looking too hot for this old M6 right here. Let's give her a start. Oh. I do love all the carbon in these things, dude. Look at it all. Like, the center console is beautiful. The way these cars are designed overall is beautiful. It's just really, really nice, man. Oh, she fires. Let's get some heat in it. There she goes. Starts waking up. All right. That's exciting. It's fired right up. Oh, headliner's drooping in this thing. This is such a sweet car though, dude. Like, oh my God, whoever bought this thing to begin with and drove it off the lot that day must have been so stoked, because this is good. This was top of the line shit in 2006, you know what I'm saying? And yes, they have their problems, but they're still sweet ass cars. All right, let's go. We're in reverse now. E-brake's off, yep, all right. Fucking hit anything. You don't want to fucking hit anything, mate. All right, I've never really liked the SMG. You know, it kind of takes some getting used to drive. But, like, back into neutral, into drive, and we're in first. So good, dude. It sounds so good. Sex on wheels. Sex on wheels, dude. Oh my God. Dude, the S85 is so good. Unbelievable. I've always wanted one of these things just to freaking toot around in, you know? We're back into first. shifts pretty good, actually. Wow. Wow. This thing's in freaking good shape, too. I mean, there's stupid stuff in the interior, but as far as like, I believe, I can't remember the chassis code for these. Shit. I don't remember. I'll look it up and I'll put it on the screen what the chassis code is for these things, but they're usually ratted. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on so this thing shuts up. They're usually ratted, dude. The interiors are sacked out normally, 9 times out of 10. And they're just, BMW like did this thing back in these time periods where they would coat everything in like this rubberized coating that just scratches and looks like shit. But this one's actually in pretty good shape, surprisingly. They're usually not this nice. Going back by the cop over here. The way the motor in these cars sounds at full rev, dude, is insane. It's beautiful. It opens up and the freaking exhaust sounds fantastic. Like, dude, it's insane, man. This thing is so freaking beautiful. Such a purpose-built like car. You know what I'm saying? Just pure, just driver. Like, I think it's so good. It's a supercar. You know what I'm saying? It's a supercar. It's craziness. I don't even want to put it back, dude. I don't. It's just so nice to have it. Just to tool around in it. Dude. Unreal. 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 It's crazy it works too. I mean, everything works. SMG feels good. Shifts good. Motor sounds really healthy. Like, nutty, dude. Nutty. Alright, so we're getting out of here now. It's getting too freaking hot and muggy. It's been raining all day and now it's sunshine. Now the sun's shining, so it's just getting nasty out here. But I wanted to, I mean, I do like finding this kind of stuff. Hopefully we can take that CLK home. I really would. This low mileage stuff, you just never know what you'll find, man. You really don't. I got my wagon here with me today. And so this car, we're getting finished here soon. I just got to finish the headliner, tint it, do a couple other things, and then it'll be all wrapped up. But well, this is the kind of shit we do. If you haven't watched this far and you've never watched our channel before, I'm an independent car dealer down here in Florida, and I kind of build cars and film myself doing this whole thing and show you guys how I make money, and hopefully you can understand that it's certainly not that hard. Honestly, it's pretty easy business. It's not necessarily an easy business, but it is a very rewarding business for what you get to do, and we have a lot of fun here. So peace out, my dogs. Check out theauctiondawg.com. We got all kinds of merch and stuff on there, and you can keep up with our builds on there. And yeah, man, have a good rest of your day.